Ever wonder how your voice calls travel crystal clear over the internet? It's not magic, it's SIP. But what exactly is SIP, and why is it such a big deal in networking? In this video, we'll break down the mystery of SIP, also known as Session Initiation Protocol. It's the hidden hero behind your smooth online calls, video conferencing, and even instant messaging integrations. Now you might be familiar with VoIP, or Voice over IP. SIP is the magic sauce that makes VoIP tick. It sets up the connection, negotiates the call details, and keeps everything running smoothly. Think of SIP as the language your devices use to communicate. They send messages like, "Hey, I want to call this number," or "Let me know you're available for a chat." But SIP isn't just about voice calls. It's the foundation for a whole suite of features called Unified Communications, or UC for short. With UC, you can integrate voice, video, messaging, and even file sharing, all under one roof. So, what's the big deal about SIP? Here's why it matters. SIP calls are often cheaper than traditional phone lines. They easily add more users and features as your business grows. It works with various devices and platforms, and offers robust security options to keep your communications safe. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how your calls work, understanding SIP unlocks a whole new perspective on internet communication. Want to dive deeper into the world of SIP and VoIP? Then hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.